Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, flight transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
No, I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen him?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast him!
It's our R2.
What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Then stay close.
Why?
If you want to stay alive, you're going to need some cover.
Oh dear. This ain't no time to hear rebels. Thank the maker. Shoot! And you put that back this instant. Now I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. The transmission.
I am Lando Calrissian with the Resistance.
General Calrissian. Nice to see a familiar face.
Well, it's good to see you too. And you too, R2. Listen. The First Order is rallying its forces. We need your help. A rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting. Good luck.
R2, I really don't think we should rush it. R2, are you sure these are the right coordinates?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.